first alert weather, we got to talk to the chief because, Scott, we're under a weather alert right now. We're watching some weather. So what are we expecting tonight into tomorrow?
And tonight into tomorrow, Doug and Nicole, we're going to see this line that's out to the west, this complex of storms that we forecast will be developing late evening hours, making its way west-east. It's going to continue to weaken as it moves its way to closer towards the 35 corridor. So you can see right now we do have some heavy rain in the west sides there of Jack County, also into parts of Palo Pinto County. So it is moving slowly towards the east-southeast at about maybe 15 miles per hour. So it's going to work its way into the west sides of the Metroplex, maybe downtown Fort Worth, about 2 in the morning, and really losing a lot of its intensity. You're going to get some heavy rain at times. You're going to have maybe still have some lightning strikes with that, and you can see that line is still holding together, but nothing severe along it. This is kind of turning into more of a flooding threat as it's a slower moving line, and you notice it stretches all the way down through parts of Eastland County, continuing further down towards the southwest. There is an area of low pressure that's kind of developing further southwest that's going to rotate its way off towards the east-northeast. As that does so, it's going to increase our rain as we go into the overnight hours and then into tomorrow. We talked about a soggy weekend on the way. There will be several rounds of rain all the way Saturday and then also into Sunday. So definitely make sure that you have those wet weather plans in place. We still do have that small threat of severe storms that remains in the forecast with that severe thunderstorm watch that's off towards the west-northwest. But this is what's on its way from its way west to east, I should say. And with it, the potential of some of the heavy rain that's moving through. So the severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for parts of Montague County, Cook County, Jack and Wise, all the way down to Somervell County and west through 2 in the morning. And the threat, there was maybe some damaging wind gusts, but looking at the latest radar trends, that's really starting to come down even more. So we'll watch to see if that severe thunderstorm watch is kind of maybe ended a little bit early. Now, the first alert futurecast picks up on the fact of that rain that's out to the west, trying to initialize relatively well. 2, 3, 4 in the morning, by 5 in the morning, some of that heavy rain moving its way through. You're going to wake up tomorrow morning to kind of a soggy morning, and then off and on through the day, scattered showers and some storms moving their way on through. Same story then going into Sunday for Mother's Day, rounds of rain in the forecast. How much are we talking about? Well, our first alert potential rainfall product shows maybe about 1 inch to near 2 inches of rain by the time it's all said and done. So the flooding concern is there. And you notice from about Montague County down through Bosque County west, a flood watch continues through Sunday evening for the potential of a large amount of rain. You can see that stretches all the way down to the southwest, where we have that complex moving through. So as you take a look, the first alert 3-day forecast, Saturday and Sunday, rain chances 80 to 60%. On Monday, a 40% chance. For Mother's Day, breaking it down a bit more for you, 50 to 40% through the morning hours for us. As we go through about noon, maybe a 30% chance of some rain, and then holding to a 40 to 50% chance. So yeah, it's going to be off and on as we go through Mother's Day for some of those storms to be moving through. And the first alert 7-day forecast shows we have rain chances every single day next week. It's going to feel tropical as we go through next week.